Hey everybody, it's Kevin Wadsworth from NorthStarBadCharts.com, and I've had some requests lately to show or explain how the Kinesis dashboard works and how you can buy physical gold and silver using the Kinesis platform. So, as you're probably aware, we are proudly partnered with Kinesis, and as advocates of sound money, we very much encourage any move to challenge the paper currency system that's in place, where we all see our money being devalued at an ever increasing rate. And through inflation, our purchasing power is diminishing rapidly. Of course, precious metals and gold in particular has played a very important role in maintaining wealth through not just through the years and through the decades, but through the centuries. So if you feel so inclined, having a portion of your net worth in physical precious metals makes a lot of sense. And Kinesis is a platform that brings a whole new range of options to that as well. So as well as being able to buy and sell physical gold and silver, it allows you to have that in digitized format, so that through the use of a virtual card, you can actually buy and sell goods and services just as you can in with any other debit card installed on your smartphone. So that's being rolled out across many countries around the world at the moment. I'm using that here in the UK, and I've done one or two videos recently explaining and showing myself using the Kinesis virtual card and buying various bits and pieces all around Europe, in fact, over recent weeks and months. So back to the matter at hand, and I'm just going to demonstrate very quickly how easy it is to buy some silver. The same can be done with gold and a range of cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to show you my Kinesis dashboard. I'll just stop the video and I'll share my computer screen. So give me a moment to do that for you. Okay, so you should be able to see my computer screen right now. I'll switch the video camera off because I don't think you need to see that. Okay, so this is the Kinesis dashboard, and it shows your balance in the top left-hand corner here. There's a range of options which you can read about once you are on the website, and the Kinesis website, of course, contains all the information that you might need when it comes to setting up and using the account. But this is just a quick demonstration of how fast it is to buy some silver. So there's my total balance there. That's made up of silver and also made up of some US dollars that are sitting in the account at the moment. So there's nearly 9,000 US dollars sitting there. So I'm going to buy an ounce of silver. So over to the middle panel here, where it says buy and sell, simply select buy. And currently it's set up for Kinesis Gold, which is KAU. That's 1 ounce of Kinesis Gold, 1 ounce of KAU. But I'm going to change that to KAG, and you can put in how much you want to buy. It can be fractions of an ounce, or it can be many ounces, or how much you want to buy in silver. What you're actually buying is physical silver, which is stored in one of the Kinesis audited and one of Kinesis's audited vaults around the world, and it's allocated to the purchaser. So your physical gold and silver is allocated, and it's also, as I say, audited, and the audit is available on the Kinesis website, and you can see there the evidence from an independent auditor that each ounce of gold or silver that is bought by a customer is indeed stored in their vaults. So there's a one-to-one relationship between claims on physical precious metal and the actual physical precious metal that is held in the vault. Okay, so enough about that. I'm just going to put in 1 ounce of or 1 KAG, which is 1 ounce of silver, and click on the ask price, and 23.16. And last time I looked, I think the spot price was about 23, beg your pardon, 22.80. So that's your price, just a little bit above the spot price there, around about currently sitting about 35 to 40 cents above the spot price. So that's all set up for the purchase. You can have your fiat currency sitting in a number of major global currencies. So when you buy and sell your gold and silver, you can transact in the currency of your choice. I've got it set up in US dollars here. and you just scroll down to the bottom, click on the buy order, and it confirms what it is you're about to buy. So I'm buying 1 KAG, that's 1 Kinesis ounce of silver. It would be KAU for a Kinesis ounce of gold. There's your rate, the price that you are paying, the 0.22% fee, giving the total to pay of $23.16 for 1 ounce of physical silver to be deposited or allocated to me in the Kinesis vault. And I'll click place buy order, and then you get a message that pops up and says your limit order has been placed. See transaction history or open orders for details. And in the fullness of time, you'll get that message to confirm that your sale has, or your purchase, I should say, has gone through. And I'm the proud owner of another ounce of Kinesis silver. When it comes to selling, of course, it's the whole process in reverse. You just click on sell, and you tell it how much silver, gold, or crypto you want to sell. You can swap quickly and easily between gold, silver, and a range of cryptocurrencies, and that allows you to take advantage of the ratio between those instruments. So the gold to silver ratio, for example, will tell us sometimes that gold is favored, and other times it will tell us that silver is favored. And by buying and selling at the right time with gold and silver, you can actually increase your physical holdings of gold and silver without actually needing to make any additional purchases. So you can see your stack going up and up and up, regardless of what the price is doing, just by playing the gold to silver ratio. As I say, you can increase the amount, the physical amount of gold and silver that you're holding. So it's as simple as that. And as I say, to just remember that you can do this in a number of global currencies. So you can choose your currency, and you can choose your precious metal or your cryptocurrency that you want to transact in. There's my Kinesis virtual card, which is installed on my smartphone. So I can just hold that up against the card reader, and it is doing the transaction for me from my gold, silver, or cryptocurrency of choice. So a very clever combination of physical holdings of precious metals being digitized so that you can use that to buy and sell in any store, anywhere that accepts card purchases. Okay, that's it. That's a quick run through of how I'm using Kinesis platform at the moment and how you might want to consider using it. This isn't financial advice, of course. It's just a demonstration of one way that you can use the service to supplement your strategy for trading and investing. That's it from me for now. Hope you enjoyed that, and bye-bye.